2021 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 1. The value of limit x tending to infinity x natural log of x by 1 plus x square is. The options given are 0, 1, 0.5 and infinity. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. So for solving these kind of limits, we need to have a working knowledge of L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule states that if there is a limit which is in fraction form of fx by gx, and on substituting the value of the limit we get 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, so in that case, to obtain the limit value as a real number, we differentiate the numerator and the denominator and then substitute the limit value. In case f dash a by g dash a also comes out as 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity format, so in that case we will differentiate it once more and then we will substitute the value of the limit to get the answer. So coming to the solution, we can see the limit as x ln x by 1 plus x square. So when we substitute x equals infinity in this, we can see we will have infinity ln of infinity by 1 plus infinity square, which is nothing but infinity by infinity. So this question is applicable of L'Hospital rule. So we'll take the first time limit extending to infinity. So we will differentiate the numerator once. So we can see that when we differentiate ln x, so this is two function, so we will use the UV rule. So first we will differentiate ln x, so ln x, the differentiation will be 1 by x, and the second time we will differentiate x and we will leave ln x intact. Similarly we will do for the denominator, we will have 0 plus 2x. This would give us limit extending to infinity 1 plus ln x divided by 2x. When we substitute x equals infinity in this, we will have infinity by infinity format again, so we need to differentiate it once more. So limit extending to infinity, we will differentiate the numerator and denominator which are present here once more. So we will have 0 plus the differentiation of ln x would be 1 by x and the differentiation of 2x would be 2. This would give us limit extending to infinity 1 over 2x. When we substitute extending to infinity in this, we would get 0, which is a real number, and this will be our applicable answer. So the value of the limit extending to infinity x ln x by 1 plus x square was found out to be 0 using L'Hospital rule, where we differentiate the numerator and denominator separately and substitute the values of the limit. In case we do not get a real number, we differentiate it again and then substitute, and so on. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.